The following is a submission match. Making her way to the ring from New York, Sue.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
She is physically and mentally prepared for the task at hand in tonight's match.
From Kyoto, Japan, the terror, the total package, unbreakable, unforgiven.
This is a superstar who eats, sleeps, and breathes WWE. When they're not training, they're competing. When they're not competing, they're training.
Look, I hate to admit it, but that's paid dividends for this superstar. Maybe not in the friend department, but definitely in the ring.
A submission match can bring serious risk of injury since victory is achieved by making your opponent submit. Corey, is that a factor when competing?
Yeah, it's always in the... Oh, no, she could be caught here. Bad situation for her.
Uh-oh, the end is near. No way. Almost a miraculous escape and a side slam.
Well scattered reversal there.
Unbelievable athleticism. Into the armbar.
That was amazing. Left arm trap, wiggles free. Nicely done.
Ah, look at this. Hair pull neck slam.
Targeting the neck.
Textbook neck breaker. Beautiful athleticism.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there.
Using a handful of hair to deliver the snapmare. And this is even worse, my goodness. Oh yeah, she's saying, let's go, bring it.
Hold on a second, could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
I'm not sure there's anything she can do here. She is trapped.
Almost a miraculous escape and a side slam.
Byron, talk about how important it is to be resilient in a match like this.
Oh, these are grueling battles.
Unbelievable athleticism. Into the armbar.
That was amazing.
This would be...
Left arm trap, wiggles free. Nicely done.
Oh, man, by the hair.
There's a lot of hard ways to land, but that might be the hardest.
Drop kick to the back. Twisting crossbody, what a move.
Just exhibiting their fearlessness.
Exhibiting guts and accuracy as well. An agile escape.
Punch. With the counter.
Back and forth, looking for the advantage here.
Needed a face. She adjusts it and reverses it. Tossed back into the ring.
Up and down. What a slam. She was clearly waiting for that.
Boom, DDT. Unbelievable athleticism. Into the armbar.
That was amazing.
Oh, look at this. Is she...
Left arm trap, wiggles free. Nicely done. This superstar building incredible momentum.
Oh, I mean, this is... I don't know how the superstar is doing it. Down and out moments ago. Back in it now.
The superstar poised and ready to strike, waiting for their opponent.
Uh-oh is right. Oh, this is going to be painful. Looking for the Scorpion crosslock. Over it. Here's the PTO.
Good night.
Submission locked in. Nowhere to go. Nowhere to go. Is she going to tap out?
How will she get out of this one? It wasn't pretty, but it was effective.
There's a wheelbarrow. Boom, DDT. She's getting back to her feet, but is there fight left?
Unbelievable athleticism. Into the armbar.
That was amazing.
This is excruciating. Look at the body.
Left arm trapped, wiggles free. Nicely done.
Fist pulls a hair into the snapmare. Oh my God, this is just nasty.
Looking for a high-risk move.
Taking flight.
Splash!
Oh, man. Looks like her opponent's not going to need a chiropractor.
Targeting a body part, working the arm. Soaring.
Man, what a splash. Uh-oh is right.
Oh, this is going to be painful. Looking for the Scorpion crosslock. Over it. Here's the PTO.
Good night.
Trouble, in trouble. Tap out. She's got to tap out. She's going to get hurt. Seriously hurt.
The jeopardy is real. Tap out. How will she get out of this one? It wasn't pretty, but it was effective.
There's a snapmare.
And a basement drop kick.
Ooh, what a forearm club. And the DDT.
She bails in a hurry. And it looks like she wants to take this match outside.
Oh, from behind.
Oh, wow.
Frankensteiner.
Nice.
Getting dangerously close to our desk.
That's it. I'm out of here. Look at her taking in all the energy from the crowd.
Oh, round and round we go. Tilt-a-whirl head scissors.
Ooh. Great counter. Impressive ring IQ on display there.
She's not in a good spot.
Planted face first.
Driven into the barricade.
Right to the back. Escape just in time.
Running Hurricane Rana.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible.
Oh, no, there could be trouble lurking for her with this submission maneuver.
Black Widow.
Locked in tight.
Oh, gonna tap out here, but it ain't gonna matter.
You still do a lot of damage, though. Almost a miraculous escape and a side slam. Holy, meet the barricade.
Face first off the barricade. Right across the face.
Off the barricade.
Eat defeat. Delivered into the barricade.
Uh-oh. Whipped into the barricade.
Goes right through it. shoes on. It might be time to clear out.
Oh, colliding with the barricade. Oh, look at her answering back.
A running hurricane rana.
Beautiful.
Both knees into the face.
Unbelievable. That's her opponent's move.
Double leg takedown.
Stop.
Round and round we go. Tilt-a-whirl head scissors. And the hits to the core keep coming. Oh, man, meeting the barricade. Oh, my God.
Wow, what a move. Jumping neck breaker. Ouch. You can tell a fire's been lit inside of her.
Momentum has clearly swung her way. She isn't allowing that burst of attacks to put an end to her. Reversals, reversals, and more reversals.
We are seeing a lot of guts, a lot of determination out there. You have to wonder where that one turning point to end this will come from.
Uh-oh, clearing off the announce table.
This is about to go from bad to worse.
This is not going to be pretty.
I don't want to see this happen.
Oh.
She's feeling it, and the WWE Universe is feeling it too.
Fistfuls of hair into the snapmare. Oh my God, this is just nasty.
Compromised position here.
Launched into a roundhouse kick.
Throws her back in from ringside.
She anticipated that one.
Trying to chop her. Unbelievable athleticism. Into the armbar.
That was amazing.
Oh, nowhere to go, nowhere to hide. Could be tap time.
This is the worst case scenario. Left arm trap, wiggles free. Nicely done. Round and round into the...
Satellite DDT. This one is headed outside, guys.
Back elbow smash, nothing fancy.
Jumping clothesline. What agility.
Face plant.
Ooh. Into the barricade. Ooh, that hurt.
Oh!
Face first off the barricade. Sit straight into the barricade.
Oh, that'll rattle the insides of your head.
Ah, look at this. Hair pull neck slam. Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
And she can't find a response for this assault.
Yeah, but now we'll see if she can hold up against this burst.
Oh, my God, in the spine.
That'll make your legs go numb.
Oh, yeah. She is really getting fired up.
Saw that one coming.
Yeah, she's getting a determined focus again.
Oh, it gets put into the barricade.
Holy, meet the barricade.
A running swanton.
Feeling the WWE Universe on another level. This is her fuel.
She flips it back on her. Oh! Boom!
Oh, from behind. Uh-oh.
Oh, impressive counter. Oh, she responds with a counter.
Off the barricade. Face front off the barricade.
Soul kick. Spin kick to the midsection.
Ooh.
Oh! Reversal! What a counter! Driven into the barricade. Oh!
Right to the back. A well-timed dodge. Right to the hamstring.
Reversal! Can she capitalize?
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, man.
Oh, and a reversal.
Oh, punishing. Uh-oh.
What a hurricanrana.
Oof.
Oh, man, meeting the barricade.
Whipped into the barricade.
Goes right through it.
Letting her opponent know she is ready for anything.
She's surely revving up, but she better put the rubber on the road already.
Oh, colliding with the barricade. Face front off the barricade. Face first with a waistlock takedown. Sent straight into the barricade. Merciless move, bashing your opponent's head like that.
And she's in total control.
She is exposing all the cracks in her competition's game.
Gotta be careful not to get disqualified.
She's fighting back.
She was being tested, but now finally gets some offense of her own in.
Standing Spanish fly, are you kidding me? Incredible.
Bullseye.
Oh!
Into the barricade. Into the barricade. Oh, the barricade.
Ridiculous standing shooting star.
Telling her opponent that she has even more left in her tank.
How's that for a counter?
Every maneuver being returned with counter fire.
Sweeps the legs. Stop!
Off the barricade.
Kidney first into the barricade. Momentum's breaking away from her.
She's been pushed into a bad spot for sure.
Uh-oh.
Vicious knee drop. Holy, meet the barricade.
Oh, and she turns it around.
She's showing it's not a time to lie down. It's a time to fight back. Oh, man, meeting the barricade. Oh, breakneck speed, one of her Corona. Eat defeat.
And now gets tossed into the ring.
Uh-oh is right. This is going to be painful. Looking for the Scorpion crosslock.
Over it. Here's the PTO.
Oh, good night.
You can see the agony on her face. She gives up. Submission victory. And gets the win, but at what cost?
Here is your winner, the Terror, the Total Package. Unbreakable, unforgiven.
They're happy now, but I think they need to get evaluated.
Yeah, they were looking rough at the end of that, Corey.
I can't tell from here how bad that injury is. Let's just hope it doesn't show them for too long.
A big win coming at a bigger cost.